Madam Chairperson. Point of inquiry, Madam Chairperson.
Allowed.
Through you, Madam Chairperson, I would like the current speaker to tell me the meaning of the word girl child education.
Girl child education means educating girls in a school. But thank you. You, Madam Chairperson, plus all cabinet members and the House at large. I am Judge Rennie by name. As the motion states, that woman emancipation has done more good than harm. I oppose it with my opinion. It has promoted laziness among the men, since most women today are working and able to care for their families. Men have abandoned their responsibilities. As a result, some men no longer want to work and instead depend on their wives. Therefore, I urge you all men to work hard because you are the head of the family.
Thank you so much, our children. That means you are going to be the chairpersons tomorrow, the members of parliament, name it, because you have ably expressed yourselves. I would like to add on to make an addendum on the last speaker's submission, who has said that women emancipation has contributed to the resilience of many of the men in this country or the world wide. Many men no longer want to work, mostly those who have really got women with money. They do go to play Mweso, Ludo and the like. So your point is very strong and we should consider it so much because that emancipation has really... But then I got aids from you. Now after some time of her keeping quiet and thinking, she asked me, gentleman, you came to my home. I was giving you food.
One of the guests said that even if you have paid school fees for the child, but when the child hasn't seen, the mother will come there and say, your father is what? Is bad. Why? Even the children are growing up knowing that women have got more responsibility over them than what? Than their fathers. So I conclude by saying that Madam Speaker, through your government, the thing of women emancipation should be sensitized to women to know that though they're equated, but we are above them. Thank you for today.
Women emancipation has led to low birth rates in the country. Women emancipation has led to a high number of single mothers and single fathers. Women emancipation has promoted laziness among men. Those are the points from both sides. Thank you for listening. Back to the